The factory 12 volt socket in the back of your vehicle isn't designed to run a fridge, and here's why. The wiring in your factory cigger plug is too small to handle the current draw of your 12 volt fridge. Have a look at the size difference between the wiring in the plug and the fridge power lead wiring. It's also wired into your start battery, which means if you run your fridge for too long with the ignition on, you won't be able to start your car. Whether your four-wheel drive has a factory plug up the back or doesn't have anything there at all, the easiest solution is to properly install a quality 12 volt cigger plug socket to an auxiliary battery using the right size wiring like the Adventure King's fridge wiring harness. With 12 AWG insulated cable, a 12 volt cigger plug and an inline fuse, it's the easiest way to get reliable, safe power to your fridge. But it's not just for your fridge. You can run any of your 12 volt accessories from the back of your vehicle when you're at camp too.